Hey Rajesh, what's your plan for Diwali?
I am planning to send our HHO cooking appliance to my family members and few relatives in India.
Tell me one thing, why so many firecrackers are used during Diwali? It causes so much pollution.
The pollution caused by firecrackers is only a fraction of what is caused by hatred and war all across. Diwali is a festival of lights which reflects uh, peace, harmony, and love across the humanity. India is a civilization of more than 7,000 years old, and it is the only country which has never invaded any other country. We have culture of spreading love, care, uh, harmony, peace. This pollution caused by firecrackers is just a fraction of what you say, all the negativities in the world. But you see, these firecrackers also spreads love, peace, and humanity.
Okay, let me arrange to pack our HHO cooking appliance for your family members and the relatives in India.
Thank you.
You're welcome.